Most health and fitness experts simply states that by exercising more and eating less, you can lose weight. Now, in some cases, it might be true, but in most cases, it is not. It doesn't happen that way. Our body and our metabolism is way too complex for simple solutions like this. In a perfect world, you would eat the calories and then the hydrochloric acid in your stomach will digest your food, which will then enter into your small intestine, from where it will go to your liver. Now, liver has a job to distinguish the good from the bad. The good are the nutrients, which then eventually goes to the other organs and to your cells to nourish your body. Whereas the bad guys, the toxins, the harmful substances, will clear out from your kidney and your colon. Now, an overburdened and overstressed liver cannot metabolize the fat, the pre-digested fat that it gets from the smaller intestine. So what it does, it dumps it back into the bloodstream, which ultimately gets deposited as body fat, causing you to gain weight. Now let's shift our focus onto our colon. Fiber, as we know, is the most important nutrient required by the colon to do its job properly. If you're a female, you need about 25 grams per day. If you are a man, then you need about 40 plus grams per day. Estimates suggest that we are getting no more than 12 grams, which is severely deficient. Now, when this happens, the colon is not getting the support it needs to clear out the toxins and the other undigested particles, which over time gets reabsorbed in the body and sent to the overworked liver to clear out. Now, this causes further problems and more weight gain. Besides the overstressed colon and liver, there is overwhelming scientific data that is pointing straight towards the fact that toxins are making us fat. Toxins are known to impair and disrupt our appetite and weight regulation cycle. They alter our thyroid metabolism and causes oxidative stress. I can say with reasonable confidence that detox is the missing link in your quest to losing weight.